with the ring light. Woo. Hey, what's up? It's your girl Janae, and I'm here coming to you now with another video. And I might be wearing the same clothes as my review video, but don't worry about that. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a review and first look at my ring light. Sound effects. So I finally got a ring light. I've been really wanting a ring light just to improve my videos because the lighting in my room sucks. So I was just looking on Amazon and stuff, and I finally got a ring light that was affordable. So I'm going to tell you all the specs and stuff that I got on my ring light, and I'm also going to show past videos of how my lighting looked before. If you already know, if you're a loyal subscriber like the 3 I got out there, thank you for watching my video and sticking with me. But I got a ring light, and this ring light is under $50, and it's a pretty good ring light. So I'm going to give you all the specs, so just stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into the video. I just have my phone with me just to look at my order and all the specs on this. So I'm going to show you the ring light in just a minute, don't worry. So this ring light is the Flashpoint photo video ring light, and this is actually the 13-inch or 13 width ring light. This ring light was actually it was actually $39.95, so $40 for a ring light. So this is the fluorescent light. I would sorry about that, I heard some people and it was being nosy, but I got the 13-inch ring light, and this is the fluorescent light. So I would suggest, if you're a woman of color or darker skinned or just a woman of color, I would suggest getting a fluorescent light because this is the lowest it's on right now, and if you turn it up, like, this does not look realistic. So I would suggest getting the fluorescent light. I feel like that's the best on our skin, and I wouldn't necessarily get the LED lights unless that's your preference. But for me, the fluorescent light works perfectly. So I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna have all the links and stuff to the ring light down below, and it was $39.95, and I got it on my Amazon Prime. Just a disclaimer, the price that I'm saying, this is just a ring light. It does not come with the tripod. It does not come with any other pieces. This is just the ring light. I'm going to put down in the description box below other items you might want to buy. So what I would suggest getting the tripod specifically for a ring light, because there's a tripod actually specifically for a ring light, and I wish somebody would have told me that, because I thought a ring light could fit on any regular tripod, but it can't. So it's like a screw tripod that you have to screw into the ring light. So I would suggest getting that if you don't have it, or an adapter piece. And also, if you want to put your camera in between the ring light, I would also suggest getting the adapter piece for the camera to go in the middle. I have my tripod. I have 2 tripods, the tripod for the ring light and a tripod for my camera. So I just use both of them because I would also say another disclaimer, for the ring light, it's a 13-inch, and I have the Canon T3i Rebel, and it's the one that flips out. So if I put it on the ring light, it fits, but it's kind of hard to see me through the viewer on the side. So I would suggest either putting your camera in the back on another tripod, or I suggest just getting a bigger ring light. So let me see. So if you wanted everything included with the ring light, it's going to cost you more. So it'll cost you, if you want like the kit, it'll probably cost, let me just see, the whole fluorescent kit, and this is a 19-inch one. I'm just checking the prices. I'll also have that down in this description box too. $78, so $78.95. So if you want the whole kit, all the shebang and stuff, that would be about $79, $80. So this ring light also came with the bag. Let me go. So it came with this. It came in this bag, and it just says Flashpoint. So finally, let me show you the ring light. So this is how the ring light looks. So just how it looks, and this is the lowest it goes. and it can get very bright. As you can see, like very bright. I don't know how to show this, but and this is how dark my room is. So this is when I first initially turn on the ring light, and make sure you wait a couple minutes for the camera to adjust. So it's going to adjust and it gets darker and it settles into your skin, so you just have to wait till it adjusts. This is the lowest, and yeah, this is the lowest it goes. And if you want to see it brighter, this is the brightest. So just another disclaimer, beware of when it first turns on. It will be bright, like it will be bright, but your eyes will adjust to it. It's not too bright when you have it on the lowest setting. It's your eyes adjust. So I feel like it's just like enough for me to do. Okay, and right now I'm just gonna show a clip of my previous videos. I might put it right here or something. Just show you my previous videos and how my lighting looked before. I use like my mirror, my light up mirror, and I also use the lamp for my things before. And with this ring light, you might have to change your setting. If you do get a ring light, you never had a ring light before, you might have to change the setting on your camera to adjust for the ring light, like the ISO, exposure. If you want to know more about that, just comment down below on what settings to put your camera on or what I put my camera on. So if you want to know more about that, then just do that. Okay, so I'm just showing you how the lighting looked. I can't show you now how the lighting looked before because I already set my camera to where it doesn't adjust to my lamp light anymore. But this is just, sorry if you can see my, trying to do this. This is just how it looks now in my room, just with the regular lighting. And this is how it looks with the ring light. Woo. This is how it looks with the ring light. So, and I just wait a couple minutes for it to adjust to my lighting. As you can see, it's adjusting to the background, so just wait a couple minutes, and this is how it looks. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to do. Bye.